हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल इन दिस कोविड सिचुएशन। So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can never miss any new video. So my today video is related to ice. Ice आप सब लोग यूज़ करते होंगे अपने घरों पर I think many of us are not aware with the benefits of ice. There are number of benefits of ice related to our skin. So our first benefit of ice is as ice helps in reducing dark circles under our eyes. How it helps? You simply just add cucumber paste and some rose water to normal water and then freeze it and make some ice cubes. And then daily, twice a day or once a day, you can rub it under your eyes. And believe me guys, within 7 days you start observing the effect. So our second benefit of ice is very helpful to cure acne. Now it wonders in your mind how it helps in curing acne. As acne basically occurs when our pores of our skin gets blocked by oil, dirt, right? So ice soak all the oil from our skin pores and it works wonder to our skin in curing our acne, in removing our dark spots and also brighten and glowing our skin. Third benefit of ice is it's very helpful in improving blood circulation of our skin. How it works? As ice firstly constricts our blood vessels so that less amount of blood reaches to our skin. Then to maintain the balance, excess amount of blood circulates to our skin, which makes our skin glowy, healthy and lift. Now come to our fourth benefit. So ice works as a pre-primer applicant during our makeup. It sounds so good. Before you apply makeup, please apply an ice cube to your face. But yes, do remember, don't apply ice cube directly to your face because it may cause inflammation. So firstly, put the ice cube in a cotton hanky or in a cotton towel and then apply on your face. So our fifth benefit of ice is very helpful in reducing eyebrow pain. So making eyebrows is almost a must do for all the women out there, right? And pain associated with it is very frustrating. So here is a good news for all of you. Before making the eyebrows, apply an ice cube on your eyebrow surface or wherever you want to brush your hairs. It provides a numb effect to your skin surface and hence with the help of ice, you need not to suffer your tweezing pain during making the eyebrows. Comes to sixth benefit of ice. Ice is very helpful in providing a oil-free look. Those who have oily skin, they have a demerit, as oily skin can trigger an outbreak to a stubborn pimple. So ice will help in controlling oil by keeping our skin fatty cells under control and hence it gives us an oil-free. Now come to the seventh benefit of ice. Ice is a wonder hack for sunburn. Ice provides very effective relief from sunburn. For this you just have to add aloe vera gel plus water and make ice cube of it and then apply or rub to your face. Ice can provide relief from inflammation as well as reddishness which can caused by the sunburn. So guys, just by applying ice on your face, you can get relief from effective sunburn. Now come to the eighth benefit of ice. Ice acts as a skin cleanser. How it acts? As our skin contains number of pores which helps us in detoxifying. But yes, there is a disadvantage also, as these pores hold on to dirt and makes our skin dull. By applying ice on our skin, we can clean our pores and makes our skin healthy and smooth. If we talk about another benefit of ice to our skin, so it helps to brighten our skin tone. How it helps? Whenever you come at your home after a long hour of work, you always find your skin all oily and very dull. So by applying ice to your face, you can make your skin oil free. And also, as we talked about this earlier, ice helps to increase your blood circulation, your skin blood circulation. It also helps to brighten your skin tone and provide a very bright radiance to your skin tone. So just by applying ice to your face, you can get a very bright radiance to your skin, which you are wishing from a very long time. There are so many benefits of ice, but yes, वीडियो बहुत ही लंबी हो चुकी है, so I think हमें यहीं पे ख़त्म करना चाहिए. So just talk about one last benefit of ice, that is it helps to make your lips soft, and also it provides soothing effect to your chapped lips. By applying ice to your lips, it provides moisture to your chapped lips, and also it helps in providing a very smooth texture to your lips. It makes your lips very beautiful and glossy. And yes, do remember one thing, drink a lot of water in a very adequate amount, because water is the only thing which is solution for every problem. I hope you like my videos, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Believe me guys, it's totally free of cost and you need just a second to subscribe it. Kindly subscribe it and also like it, share it to your friends and family. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, be safe, be creative, be happy. Bye bye.